There are some items that are necessary for every horn player to keep with them at all times if possible. So if you can find a little compartment in your case to keep these things, that'd be helpful. Basically, you need all the oils that we talked about. You need the low viscosity oil, the watery one. You need the higher viscosity oil. You need some slide grease, okay, at all times. It's helpful if you have some backup string and a little screwdriver, okay? You also want to make sure that you have a metronome or tuner. This is actually just a metronome. It's a really good one, so if you have a really nice one, take care of it. So where's my tuner? Well, I use an app on my phone. So if you have a smartphone, I want you to take a look at all the different tuners that are out there, and there's actually metronomes as well. And it may save you the expense of getting those two items if you already have a phone that would support an app like that. I think they're really great, and if you can do that, it's wonderful. Otherwise, you'll need to go find a tuner by itself. And then in that case, you may run into what is called a tuner metronome, one that has both in one little device. I used that for many years until I got my smartphone. So you need to have all those things at all times, plus, and band directors, you're going to love this, you need a pencil, okay? So after many years of schooling and getting yelled at or encouraged to have a pencil when I was younger, I ran across something called a pencil clip. And since I've had this, I've never been caught unprepared. It's been amazing. You clip this on the widest or maybe like thickest part of the tubing back here, and then you get a pencil, get your favorite pencil, and clip it in. And voila, I always have my pencil. So it's $2 to get one of those things, and it will save you. And sometimes you get a grade for having a pencil, so hopefully it's an easy A.